90% of people who try to make money online quit before they earn their first dollar. Not because it's impossible, but because they're chasing the wrong type of income. If you want to generate income with minimal money and smart effort, you need to understand one thing first. Low effort does not mean no effort. It means you put focused work up front and you build something that keeps working after you're done. Most beginners think they need expensive equipment, a big team, or thousands of dollars to start. That's not true anymore. Today, you can start with a laptop, internet connection, and a clear strategy. The key is leverage. You don't want to trade hours for money forever. You want to create assets, content, links, digital products that continue producing income over time. Let me explain with a real example. There are YouTube channels with no fancy studios, no cinematic cameras, sometimes not even a face on screen, just simple screen recordings, clear explanations, and useful information. These channels don't always have millions of subscribers, but their videos consistently get views because they solve specific problems. That's the secret. Not production quality, not hype. Problem solving. Imagine you create one helpful video answering a question people are actively searching for, a tutorial, a step-by-step guide, a tool review. That video can rank in search and bring views for months, sometimes years. You work once, but the video keeps working for you. That's leveraged effort. Now let's talk about realistic income streams that require low startup cost. First, YouTube's search-based content. This doesn't require expensive gear. A simple microphone and screen recording software is enough. You make tutorials, reviews, or guides around topics people search for. Once you reach monetization, you earn through AdSense. But even before that, you can earn through affiliate links in your description. Second, affiliate marketing. This is one of the smartest beginner strategies. You don't create your own product. You recommend tools, software, or platforms you genuinely understand. When someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. A small channel with a targeted audience can realistically generate a few $100s per month this way. Not overnight, but consistently. Third, digital products. This is where income becomes scalable. You create something once, a PDF guide, a template, a checklist, a small course, and sell it repeatedly. No inventory, no shipping, no physical costs. If you sell a $20 product and 100 people buy it over time, that's $2,000 from something you created once. But here's where most people fail. They jump from idea to idea. They chase trends. They post randomly. And when they don't see results in 30 days, they quit. Low-effort income is built on focus and consistency. You choose one niche, one problem, one audience, and you keep improving. There's no cheat code, there's no magic button. The loophole is understanding that platforms reward value and watch time. If you create content people search for, keep them watching, and guide them to the next video or offer, your growth compounds. One video leads to another, one viewer becomes 10, 10 become 100. Your first months might feel slow, that's normal, but momentum on the internet is exponential. A single strong video can suddenly bring hundreds of subscribers and thousands of watch hours. And once the system starts moving, it becomes easier to grow. Low effort doesn't mean lazy, it means strategic. You build once, optimize, and let the system work for you. If you treat content like a real business instead of a quick money trick, the income becomes predictable over time. Start simple, solve real problems, focus on leverage, and build something that pays you more than once for the same work.